In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated AI companions using Grok AI. By the end, you'll have a clear workflow for going from an idea to a working animated character, complete with personality and behavior. First, open Grok AI. You can launch it in your web browser or open the Grok app, then log into your account. A stable connection helps, and if you're using the app, make sure it's updated so new features work smoothly. Next, start a new chat. Click New Chat to begin a fresh session dedicated to building your companion. Keeping this project in its own chat makes it easy to reference and refine the ideas Grok generates for you. Now, describe your AI companion in the chat box. Be specific about 3 things: appearance, personality traits, and special abilities or functions. For example, you might say, create an animated AI companion that looks like a cute cat and can tell bedtime stories. Or, generate a professional AI assistant that can help with scheduling tasks. The more concrete your details, the better Grok can match your vision. Think about style, tone of voice, and what you want the character to do most often. Press Enter to submit your prompt. Grok AI will generate a detailed concept for your animated companion, including how it looks, how it talks, and the overall vibe it should convey. Quick note while we're here. You'll find the official Grok website link and, if available, the app download link right at the top of the description so you can access it directly. Ask Grok for step-by-step animation instructions. Request guidance on movement and gestures, facial expressions that match different moods, and interaction prompts the companion should use. This turns your concept into actionable directions you can implement in an animation tool. Copy everything Grok generates that you want to keep: the design notes, personality details, dialogue style, and the animation instructions. Save these in a document so you can reference them while building. Finally, implement your animated companion using your preferred animation software or a no-code animation platform. Follow Grok's instructions for motion, timing, and expressions. Start with simple idle movements and core interactions, then layer in more gestures and responses. If you're adding voice, sync the dialogue style Grok suggested with your audio, and iterate until the character feels consistent and engaging. That's how you create animated AI companions using Grok AI step by step. Thanks for watching.